In this video, you will learn essential tips to enhance your cooking skills and become a master in the kitchen. The video will cover 12 key techniques and practices that can take your culinary abilities to the next level. From proper knife handling to sauce making, these tips will cover all. Every great dish starts with the right preparation. Begin with a clean, organized kitchen. It's not just about cleanliness, but also efficiency. Having everything you need at your fingertips ensures smooth cooking progress. Next is knife skills. Knowing how to properly handle a knife isn't just about safety. It's about precision. Different cuts can bring out different flavors and textures in your ingredients, enhancing the overall taste of your dish. Invest in good cookware. High-quality pots and pans distribute heat better, giving you more control over your cooking. They're durable and can last a lifetime if properly cared for. Understand the power of seasoning. Salt and pepper are your best friends in the kitchen. They bring out the natural flavors of your ingredients. But don't be afraid to experiment with other spices and herbs to add complexity to your dishes. Heat control is crucial. Not everything should be cooked on high heat. Some dishes require low and slow cooking to bring out their full flavor and achieve the right texture. Learn basic sauce making. A good sauce can elevate any dish. From a simple vinaigrette to a complex bechamel, mastering sauces opens up a world of possibilities in your cooking. Embrace the art of roasting. Roasting enhances the flavor of your ingredients by caramelizing them. It's ideal for meats and vegetables, and can even bring out the sweetness in certain fruits. Soup making is another essential skill. A homemade soup not only warms the soul, but also allows you to make use of leftover ingredients. It's economical, nutritious, and delicious. Baking is not just about sweets. Baked goods like bread, pies, and savory pastries are integral parts of many cuisines. Understanding the science of baking can greatly expand your culinary repertoire. Presentation matters. We eat with our eyes first. Taking a few extra minutes to thoughtfully plate your dishes can make them more appetizing and enhance the overall dining experience. Finally, always taste as you go. Adjusting the seasoning and texture of your dish as you cook is the key to achieving the perfect balance of flavors. So, whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, these tips can help you improve your cooking skills. Happy cooking!